global advertiser for innovative outdoor solutions.
Oh, right side.
साइड
प्लीज सामने कर दो भाई प्लीज।
ओ दादा
बैकअप कर दूंगा
ओ
बैकअप।
दादा साइड एक्सक्यूज मी ब्रदर
अरे भाई बाउंस सिक्योरिटी
सिक्योरिटी
सामने करना भाई।
अभी हटे हो किसी की जरूरत नहीं है
भाई उमेश
दोनों वेलकम के लिए आए ना तो सब यहाँ से ऐसे क्रॉस में चले जाओ ओपन कर दो अंडर वेलकम तो होगा ना उनका
भैया प्लीज सामने हट जाओ सिक्योरिटी भाई सामने आ गया हम आए इसके लिए फोटो खींचने। ऐसा नहीं जल्दी अरे सामने हट जाओ बस कोई आगे जाएगा नहीं। अब सामने हट जाओ भैया हम भी अंदर काम कर लें। अरे दोस्त अरे यार अरे भाई अरे भाई फोटो
दादा वो फोटो
यहाँ पे करेंगे हम काम करने में हम आए इसलिए दादा थोड़ा मांगे थोड़ा मैम सामने नीचे
And there's your seat. Announcers, can you please take my friends up there? The program कोई चालू रख पाएगा.
Can you please take the second row please
And appreciate some of the topmost leaders that we have in the country. Please welcome. Welcome. Thank you for coming, sir. Yeah. Thank you. So first, I would like to call Sir Ian Botham. कितने लोगों ने नाम सुना है? The English cricket captain. He's been a phenomenal support to us, and like I said, it started with her brother. So at first, I would like to call the trustee of Sir Ian Botham's Beefy Foundation, who's worked amazingly on leukemia, diabetes, and also building sanitation across schools in India. Nainesh Desai, the top lawyer of London. Welcome, sir. Nainesh bhai, just like Filmfare, if you want to quickly thank someone or say.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Sir Ian and the Beefy Foundation, I'd like to thank Yuva for this. Yuva proves one thing, that the simplest idea is the most effective idea. Amitabh and his remarkable team have picked up the need for water and sanitation and have so effectively changed the lives of so many children. At the Beefy Foundation, we're so impressed with the work he's done. Sir Ian is committed to building another 100 schools over the next 3 to 4 years. Amitabh, you and your team are truly, truly fantastic. Congratulations, and please carry on the good work.
Thank you for hitting a century, sir. Pawan, can you please? The next person I would like to give an award is Mr. Burman of Dabur, King's Punjab, and most importantly, he's a wonderful friend I met in London who truly cares about the children. They have done work where they have given toilets to lakhs of women, 700 se 7 kadam. Instead of going 700 kadam, they're just going 7 kadams and getting toilets across their operational areas. It's been an honor, sir. And if you'd like to quickly share. Just a 5 hours.
Well, I'm not good at this, but we've been associated with Yuva just for a few years, and it's a privilege to be here, and I hope we can continue doing the good work we've done together. Thank you.
Thank you, Mohit Bhai. Third, most importantly, the guy who's built and transformed this school, 50 others, who's fearless and loves everybody, told me yesterday that with your wife, when she gets angry, just be quiet and give her some love. Arpit of Dishman. Arpit, welcome on the stage. Thank you for helping 27,000 girls and boys with better sanitation and technology. And there's a film, Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra's mentor, and his next film is inspired by Yuva. The work we are doing is called Mere Pyare Prime Minister. और प्रोड्यूसर आपके सामने है, जो बहुत मीडिया शाय है, पर आज हमने उसको उल्लू बना के ले आए.
Thank you, Amitabh, like always. Before coming here, I asked Amitabh that, are you going to make me speak? Because I'm very tired today and my mind is shut, but I will still say a few words. Balki Saab, Sonam ji, from the trailer, the movie truly looks inspirational and empowering women. It is about women. You are taking the taboo factor away from the women's mind so that they can become the most smart, intelligent beings that they are of this universe. And it is true, women are the smartest. They are smarter than men, and thank God for that. Because we can see the world that has become in the hands of men, and it is not looking very good. So it's time that women take charge, and we have always supported women education and women empowerment. The children of this country and children of the world actually are the future. Are the future of this universe. And one thing that they need to really learn is that you need to stop going after money and start going after knowledge. And knowledge to do something good, to do something great for others, to bring a smile on people around. And when they truly start understanding this, I think we will not only evolve, but it will be a revolution and it will change everything. I think the world will not require politics anymore because everyone would be self-sufficient. And it is our duty to make them realize this, that go after passion, go after compassion. Do not go after money. Money will come. Money is a man-made thing. Money is not a God thing. Don't pray for money. It is created by man. Even if you call Lakshmi money, but it is not. It is a different concept altogether. Let us teach them the real concept. Let us teach them to be fearless and to ask them what the real concept is. Right? And it is education, and education to do good for others. You have to, at the end of the day, every human will only want one thing, and that is happiness. Right now, the system is making people understand that only money can give happiness, and sooner or later, people will realize that now I have money, then what? What to do now, right? So I think the time has come, the young generation, our next generation needs to learn that from us, you know, and I wish us all the best for everyone, especially Amitabh. You are truly an inspiration. Thank you for coming in my life, and thank you for changing the thought process even further and making it even stronger.
Thank you, sir. Some beautiful thoughts. And usually us, and he personally has been saying that I want to personally come on the grassroots. He's the MD of HDFC Security, Dheeraj Reli. And friends, we've got 15 award winners, so we request you to be brief.
I'll be brief. Thank you so much, Amitabh, for giving me this opportunity. I think it's our responsibility to add value and do some contribution. At corporate citizen as HDFC Securities, we are doing our bit. Balki, you are doing by making the movies. I think all of us are owed to the children, and let's do the good work. Thank you. Thank you, Amitabh, for doing good work.
And Dheeraj Bhai's run a half a marathon today. Is his team here? Venkat and everybody, where are you guys? Can everyone stand up? Can Dheeraj's team stand up? Thank you guys for the amazing work all of you do, really from the heart. Next, I would like to call Pradeep Singh from HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank's done 1,000 schools. Sonam, 2 lakh kids के लिए टॉयलेट्स और वाटर फैसिलिटीज किए हैं. हमने इनके साथ बनारस में 30 schools किए हैं. In Karnataka, we're doing 150 schools where there's no toilets for the girls and no pads, no sanitation. So thank you, Pradeep. Thank you, Pradeep. Okay, next I would like to invite my friend of a decade who's also in half a marathon, Rajendra Ghag, who's personally involved in social work with his family also for the village where he works in. But through HDFC Life, they've given scholarships to thousands. They've adopted Shahpur and Aurangabad and are doing amazing work there for sanitation. The volunteers of HDFC Life are incredible. And I was telling him yesterday, yaar, ke life jab profit nahi karta tha na, tab bhi aap help karte the. So, Rajendra bhai, a quick.
Thank you, Amitabh. Thank you for being our partner. Of course, I being your partner as an HDFC, of course, the youngest kid on the horizon for HDFC Group. So we have a framework called Education, Health and Livelihood. And if you look at, I think this concept really fits in well there. Because I've been to a number of schools in the villages and I saw, of course, the photograph was and then saw the real, let's say, condition of the toilet. It was really pathetic. So we do health, which actually not only construct the toilet, provide water, maintain the toilet, and make sure that the girls' children particularly come to school regularly. So they can actually be a better citizen going forward. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rajendra bhai, for making it. Next, I would like to call my friend Nilay bhai from Hexaware Technologies. Hexaware Technology does scholarships for girls through Udan, livelihood skill training for the girls so that they're empowered. And we have transformed schools across Vapi and now across Bombay and Gujarat. So Nilay bhai, if he can make his way through. Welcome, thank you so much. Thank you, Nilay bhai. Next, I would like to call my friend Josefa Khoraf Kiwara from Walkart. He's got a special, actually it's not an award because it's beyond the awards. Namrata, it's not an award. It's beyond the awards, but he was so moved. He's been a friend for the last year and a half. He was so moved by the work, he wanted to make a special announcement. He's also from Yale SOM. Dr. Who's is Peace. Look him up.
Thank you, Amitabh, for this. And actually, Amitabh has been doing very inspirational work. And he's a friend of mine for last 5 years. And I was so inspired by all the schools that you have built and the e-learning technology that you have done, that we want to partner with you. And I'm very happy to be here. And I thank dignitaries over here. I'm happy to see you over here. And thank you so much.
Josefa bhai, would you mind giving, I've got this one. Would you mind giving it to Sonam or Balki ji? Yeah. So, okay. It's a peace band.
Yeah. So this is a band, this is a peace hug. And we have started a peace cafe. And if you wear this band, then you can give a peace hug to anyone. Wear it. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Josefa bhai. Next, we have my favorite people. Abhishek Lodha is a very dear friend, and he was here last time. I think we've got Shruti and Ayush from Lodha Group, who have been doing amazing work through mobile vans, providing sanitation, healthcare to children. They've been volunteering personally. Also, they have been kind enough to offer us the Lodha Guest House, where we'll be working off from. Rakesh Mehra ne unki office de diye, Lodha ne unka guest house de diya, aur kya chahiye. Thank you so much, Shruti and Ayush. And we've heard wonderful things about you. Why don't you take a proper picture? ऐसा थोड़ी ना चलेगा. शर्मा क्यों रही हो आप? इतना काम कर रहे हो अच्छा? Okay. Thank you so much, Shruti and Ayush. Next we have our... Thank you so much, sir. Next, Badman with them. So can we please have the children? I think some children have some questions.
So they have, yeah, so the kids' questions are always very imaginative and they have so many questions for you. So I'll give it to her.
My question is for Rakesh sir. Which Rakesh Balki
No
sir.
problem, right?
Sorry. That which is your best advice in life?
Best advice in life?
Yes.
Don't follow any advice. Think on your own. Study everybody, listen to everybody, but think on your own.
Thank you.
Both of them. Maybe. Would you like to answer that too?
सर मुझे अमिताभ सर से एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है कि आप जो हमारे लिए ये सब कर रहे हैं उसका आपको मोटिवेशन कहाँ से मिल जाता है?
I think he answered it. आप सबको मिलके बहुत motivation मिलता है. But I would like to ask the same question to both of you. What motivated you to make a movie which is going to go to the length and breadth and width of India, to tier 2, tier 3 cities, to the urban-most centers of the world, and inspire them? What motivated you to do this? Both of you.
Say, you say na.
I was just telling Balki sir that I'm usually very shy, but not in front of the camera, in front of him, but otherwise. But honestly, to be a part of any film that can reach that, it has to be an entertaining film. But at the end of the day, there has to be something that says something, that means something, that has some depth and gravitas. Otherwise, life बहुत boring हो जाती है. अगर हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते हैं, भगवान ने बहुत कुछ दिया है, तो उसको हम लेके अगर सिर्फ घर पे बैठेंगे और सिर्फ अपने लिए इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो लाइफ बहुत खोखा हो जाता है. तो इट्स बेटर टू काइंड ऑफ शेयर इट विद एवरीबडी एंड इंस्पायर एवरीवन.
I really think that this film is an important film only because we've never spoken about sanitary pads. There has never been a film in the world before about sanitary pads, and it's a subject that everybody, for some unknown reason, whisper. They never speak up. They never kind of say anything. So this is a film that is just, even if it does make people just say the word pad easily, I think 90% of the job is done. And it's a very, very important cause. Lots of health is at stake here. If that happens, I'm sure it'll go a long way. And films are very powerful in this country.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So, who is your role model?
Who's my role model? Him.
Yeah.
No, I really wish I could be, I could have half his, not half, even 1/10 his sensitivity, even a bit of how he thinks. He's given up everything. I remember, I just heard what she told me. And when she kind of, when they were going to get married, the first thing he said is, I'm not going to kind of earn a single penny. I'm going to work for people. A person who really enjoys working for the happiness of people, to make people's lives better. I've never met anybody so clear about it in life, and he's really always happy. I've never seen him ever have a frown. He's always smiling. At 6:30 in the morning, who smiles with that kind of enthusiasm? This man does. Incredible man.
Thank you, sir.
Who's Sonam's role model?
My role model. You know, I would love to say my dad and my mom, who are, my parents are. But there was a beautiful speech that this actor in Hollywood, his name was Matthew McConaughey, he gave it in the Oscar, and when he won his Oscar. And he said, my role model is me 10 years ahead. And 10 years ahead, I'll say my role model is Taman 10 years ahead. So the best advice I think anybody's given me, besides saying that my father has actually given me, he said, believe in yourself and be the best version of yourself and eventually become someone that you would want to be. So, that's the most important thing.
Just one second, quickly. I would like to invite, and with the flight delays and stuff, Bharti Airtel is here. Sakina, the CSR head. They gave 100 crores, Balki ji, in Ludhiana to build toilets across entire villages, districts. They do a lot of work for scholarships, a lot of work for women empowerment. Thank you so much, Sakina, for being here for this quick and meaningful trip. No problem, no problem. Thank you. And everybody use Bharti phone. Thank you so much, Sakina. Next question.
करना, पैडमैन मूवी जिस बात को प्रमोट करना चाहती है वो हम सोसाइटी में कैसे कहें?
बेटा थोड़ा यहाँ से एक क्वेश्चन।
पैडमैन मूवी जिस बात को प्रमोट करना चाहती है वो हम सोसाइटी में कैसे कहें?
पहली बात ये है, हमने जो फिल्म बनाई है ये फिल्म अगर आप मतलब जो भी देखेगा उनमें समझ में आएगा कि अगर आपको पीरियड आता है, जैसे हम इंडिया में महीना कहते हैं उसे, उसमें कोई शर्म की बात नहीं है। तो आप अपनी सहेलियों को ये समझा सकते हो, बोल सकते हो कि अगर आपका पीरियड आता है तो ये शर्म की बात नहीं है, बहुत ही अच्छी बात है, क्योंकि ये आपको लड़कों से बेटर कर, आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आप लड़कों से बेटर हो। आप you can give birth, you can be a mom, and no boy can ever do that. So it's something that's really it's something that you need to be proud of. तो आप अपने सहेलियों के साथ ये शेयर करोगे और उनको बताओगे कि डरो मत, कुछ बुरा नहीं है, ये अच्छी बात है। उससे ही
अगर हमें सोनम कपूर आप जैसे बनना हो तो हम कैसे बन सकते हैं?
लंबा
बन सकते हैं। हाँ? अगर हमें आप जैसे बनना हो तो हम कैसे बन सकते हैं?
मेरे जैसे बनना बहुत ही आसान चीज़ है। यू जस्ट बी योरसेल्फ, कुछ भी जो मन में आए बोलते रहो, जो भी करना है जो भी सोचते हो वही करते रहो, बस बहुत ही आसान है, आसान बात है। खुश रहो, मैं सिर्फ खुश रहती हूँ।
My question is to you. आपको इतनी अच्छी प्यारी मूवी बनाने की कहाँ से मिलती है?
This movie is based on the life of Mr. Arunachalam Muruganandam. His life, he's my motivation to make this movie.
As we close, Malki ji, would you like to announce what you told me there about wanting to show the films to this?
Yeah, I think I want Padman actually. The first people to see Padman should be children from the 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th standard. So this is a film that will be premiered with for children, actually, in a lot of schools. In schools like this, in places where children just need to be aware that it's a very normal thing to happen. So this is an initiative we are taking. We are actually kind of showing this to a lot of school children who are in these age groups, who are not exposed to talks like this, but who can be very familiar right from day one. So this is with Amitabh's help, we're kind of going to do it across schools in Bombay, Delhi, and a lot of other places.
Thank you, sir. And the last award of the evening, Yes Bank. We've got the foundation head Prerna with us, who's come all the way from IIT. She ran from IIT Powai all the way here. They do some tremendous work in short films for social causes, and it really hits home. I mean, they make world record. That's my boss and अरे क्या कर रहा है? Okay, the first one. क्या बोलने का? Thank you. Picture दिखाना.
Continue using it always.
मीडिया वालों का भी शुक्रिया सबका है, बहुत अच्छे से आप लोगों ने हेल्प की है, बस बोलेंगे देखोगे ना उनके साथ मूवी?
मेरा ठीक है, देखो ना
रोहन और वरुण का है। रोहन है रोहन किधर है? रोहन एक सेकंड इधर आ रहा है, जल्दी आ और बच्चा पार्टी, ये रोहन है ट्रिगर मैक्स ट्रिगर हैप्पी से। एक हफ्ते से आप सबके लिए सोनम और बाल्टी जी आ सके और पैच मिल सके, इसलिए बहुत मेहनत कर रहा है। 200 स्टूडेंट मेहनत कर रहा है, इसके लिए तालियां हो जाए। बहुत दिन से मेहनत कर रहा है।
Balgi sir, Balgi sir, please come here. Balgi sir, please come here. Dost. आप साइड करो सब लोग, आप सब लोग साइड करो, चलो। साइड हो जाओ, साइड हो जाओ। छोड़।
Global Advertiser for innovative outdoor solutions.
Global as a company, it has never compromised on its service quality and commitment, and that is the reason our clients do keep on coming again and again to us for our service. The mission of the company is to rise on the graph of betterment for every campaign handled by us.